sounds of the game.
Don't go nowhere. It's all going to get better. I almost got knocked out, dog. Yeah. My help is fun. I was trying to come back. Boom! I was trying to come back. Shit was up. I'm like, this is my chance now. No. Yeah, Don comes to the duck. Lined up. Oh, yeah, Steve. I know. No, they're all getting pressure on it. It's just a matter of time. One of those guys can't come out. That's why the red draw was so good. That's exactly what they did. Get in. Get in. Let's go. Let's go. You're excited, man. Do what you got to do to get in there. If you want to get up, stand, go where you got to go. Use yourself in there, because we're going to be there. We're going to get a good cover. Yes, baby. Get in his goddamn face all day. Let your money. Oh, I know. What I was saying is if he got over here, yeah, we're going to hop up here. I didn't know where he was. Good shot. Good shot right now. Good shot right now. Friday Night Football. Don't get any better than this. Stay home, baby.